This is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. So today we are going to have a very simple and interesting class where we are going to learn how to pose two basic questions in French language and also how we are going to answer them. So let's get started. So first of all, let us learn about c'est and ce sont. If we want to say this is, we say c'est. C'est. C'est means this is. This is a book. C'est un livre. C'est un livre. This is a book. If we want to say these are, we use ce sont. These are. These are some flowers. Ce sont des fleurs. Ce sont des fleurs. So c'est means this is and ce sont means these are. Now let us see some questions. If we want to say what is this or what are these, we say qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What are these? So you see the statement remains the same, whether it's a plural object that we are talking about or if it's a singular object, we still say qu'est-ce que c'est? If I say suppose, qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un livre. What is this? This is a book. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un livre. Suppose if I say qu'est-ce que c'est? Ce sont des ballons. Ce sont des ballons. Next, if we want to say who is this or who are these, we say qui est-ce? Qui est-ce? Who is this? Who are these? Qui est-ce? Qui est-ce? Suppose if I say qui est-ce? C'est un garçon. This is a boy. If I say qui est-ce? Qui est-ce? Ce sont mes soeurs. Ce sont mes soeurs. These are my sisters. Who are these? These are my sisters. Qui est-ce? Ce sont mes soeurs. So I hope you have a basic idea now how to pose very general questions in French language. I have a little more questions and answers in the description below in a document. I want you to go through that document to get a more clearer idea about them. See you in the next video. Au revoir.